Hi friends, today is 27th day of communication skill enhancement practice. Daily practicing improve our communication skill and English speaking skills. So I encourage people who is still struggling to speak English fluently to please practice daily, because any skills you want to learn, it will take some time. Because if you will remember, a kid learning his new start to learn to walk, he struggle to walk. When a kid start to learn to speak, he struggle to speak. He start by one word, two word, then some sentence he is not able to speak, some sentence he is able to speak very with a fumble manner. So as a kid progress to learn a language, as a kid progress to learn to walk, we have to progress in this way only. There is no different process to learn. We have to learn by daily practicing, learning, and with a patience. So three things today I will share which will help you to stay more acquainted with this English language. This is a foreign language. We always listen it, but don't practice to speak this language. We also don't practice to listen this language more. Normally we start listening Hindi language with other video on TV. So somehow we avoid this language. But when we have to face to speak in this language, we struggle. So if we want to avoid this language, then we have to avoid this language fully throughout our life. But if we somehow we have to grow in our life and we have to communicate more people of different region, we have to speak English. We have to accept it. If we do not have to grow in such a manner, Hindi is enough. But if you have to communicate to some people which you are not able to, who do not know Hindi, so we have to speak in English. So that's why English is required to learn, and also in an effective way, so that we can influence people. If we are going to an interview, we have to express ourselves properly. We have to give our introduction properly. We have to express our skills properly. So to express our skills, we need a good English. We cannot speak Hindi there, because people will not like a person who do not know English. So at interview, we have to speak English. At some corporate level, we have to speak English. Also someone who do not know Hindi, we have to speak in English. So most important thing in speaking English is we have to express our thoughts, express our content. That is the most important thing. So we have to make people understand what we are trying to express. So for that, three things which I feel is important, I have learned from other mentors. Because I am not practicing only, I am repeatedly saying that I am learning and practicing. And two things will help, that learn and practice. I am learned from different mentors that learning and practicing only the two keys that can help. There is no other key to open this lock. So one big lesson is I have learned is create an environment. Because we have to observe like a kid, how a kid grows and learn how to walk, learn how to speak a certain language. Because he has brought up in an environment when other people are working, his parents are working. So he observed that and he started working. His parents are speaking in certain language, he observed that and start speaking that language. So we have to create an environment where we have some observations, that we are observing people who are speaking in English in a very formal manner. So we should have an environment like that. So if we try, we can create an environment. If it is not a actual environment, we can create digital environment of people discussing with certain language, in English language, people discussing in a formal way, informal way, people are discussing with each other. We can watch that. And sometimes also we can involve with people who can speak English fluently, so that we have practice. So So first, if it's creating a environment like a kid is growing, we can grow by slowly, but with a certain improvement, certain specific improvement which we can see in our day-to-day life. Because improvement, if you will see, we can be motivated. So one thing is creating environment. Second thing is speaking. Yes, we are listening lots of English language, but what a kid is doing? Kid is doing observing people are speaking. His mother, fathers, brothers are speaking in the other language, specific language. He is observing that. The first is observing, watching people in a English language. Second thing is the kid try to speak. So second thing is we have to try to speaking. We may fumble. It is very okay that we are fumbling, we are struggling. The kids struggle repeatedly, but does it stop? A kid asks so many times if we want something, but we do not like that much asking. If we not getting something, we don't ask even. Sometimes we don't like to ask. Sometimes we ask for one thing for something. If somebody refuse, and then we just stay calm and don't ask again. But we can learn lots of things from kids. So if we have to learn a language, we have to observe kids. Same way we have to observe English language, and as we have to speak lots of time. We have to give more time to English speaking. We can somewhat, I feel it's very important. One thing is try to speak English for at least 4 to 5 hours to any people you meet. He may laugh, he may not understand. If he do not understand, try to make him understand in English only. So I feel that will work. And speaking English will be only happen if you speak English for more time. Making video for 10 minutes will help you, that I am doing. But I feel that if you have to give more time, I should also speak for more English with other my family members. They are not, they will be not comfortable with that. But because I have to improve my English speaking skills, I have to do it, and that can be applicable. And the third thing is we have to learn some basic words, because when we have to speak for longer time, we will struggle for searching, struggle for words, will be shortage of words. So try to learn some basic words daily, which we have to use in day-to-day life, and try to then after sometimes you can add with that 2 to 3 words and make a small sentence. So practice daily and learn some new words which we need in a regular life, because if we will start speaking, we will be fall shortage of different many words. So I have also practiced that. When I try to think something, that I have also feel shortage of words. So you can feel shortage of words. So learn basic used words which we use day-to-day life. So learn that will also help. You can form sentence. So these 3 learning, I can sum up is create an environment. If not physical, if it is physical, it is good. 2 to 3 people who is ready to discussing with you in English. Second is if you are not getting that environment from virtual environment, you can see people are discussing, some people are discussing with each other, and we can listen from them. That will also help. These things is very important, because if we will not create environment, if we will not involve, if we will not give more time, that will not help. So as a kid we have to learn from different things, from different environments. As a kid we have to speak up. We can fumble, but we can speak up, and we have to learn some words, some basic words. These three things will help to improve our journey of learning English and speaking English, communicate in a formal manner in a very smooth way. So please practice daily. Daily practice will improve your English communication skill, and small improvement will boost your confidence. Thank you.